Hello, welcome to my channel, Crafty Fox DIYs. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I use some bowling balls to make some gazing balls for my garden. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is clean your bowling balls really well. I am just using some hot soapy water and a rag just to make sure that I have all of the dirt and grime off of the bowling balls. And then once I get them all good and clean, then I would just let them sit out in the sun to completely dry before I move on. And then once the bowling balls are good and dry, then I'm going to take some fine grit sandpaper and I am going to go over the bowling balls so that way the surface will be more dull and the paint will stick more easily to the bowling balls. I'm not going to show you me doing this with both bowling balls, but be assured that I did do this with both of them. And then after I get it all good and sanded so that way it's not shiny and slick, then I am going to take some alcohol and a paper towel and I'm going to clean it up and get all of the dust off of the bowling ball. This is just an alcohol that I bought from Dollar General. It's in a spray bottle. It's only $1 and it's perfect for lots of things. Now this is the paint I'm using. It is Color Shift paint. The kind that I got goes from green to orange. They also have it in blue to purple, and there was another one too, but I can't remember what those colors were. But I did think about whether or not I wanted to do the blue or purple or the green and orange, and I decided to go with the green. I prefer green to blue, so that's why I decided to go with the green. And then I just put a nice coat on there. Now this is the other bowling ball, and I am using chrome paint for this. They do have a looking glass paint, but I've heard that it doesn't do well outside, so I just decided to go with this chrome paint. Like I said, I did the same steps with this ball as I did the other ball, and it also suggests that you put on a black primer underneath, but I didn't do that because this ball was already a dark color. Now, for one of the balls where the wine did the chrome, I'm using this lamp post here. It was just an old lamp that no longer worked, and I just took off the part where you screw in the light bulb and the cord, and then I'm using some of that Color Shift paint onto the post there. And now I just, using one of the holes that's in the bowling ball, just slid that right down over top, and it set perfectly. And for the Color Shift ball, I'm just setting it down into a galvanized tin that I purchased on sale for a little over $1 at Kroger. Okay, let's take one final look at both of these gazing balls. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of these gazing balls. I'll see you in the next one.